Hey guys,
it's Cristal
and Cris, welcome back. We're here checking in from Hollywood at the Hollywood Forever Cemetery.
Oh my god, how
Like,
creepy
what?
does that sound?
I know, and why would we be here?
I know.
No, we're actually here for a very special movie screening. It's date night.
Are we like the only crazy ones that are like would come to the cemetery for a date night?
Apparently not.
I hope
No,
not.
at first I thought we might be, but once we
Yeah.
got here, I'm like, we're not the
There's
only
a lot
crazy
of
ones. Yeah. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and
Yes.
join the club. We're on our way to 1,000 and we're so excited. 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna have something very special once we
I
get there.
know.
So hit subscribe.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
Yes, the links are always down in the description. It's our first time here. We're actually watching the movie Scream,
Yeah.
which is one of my favorites. I
Yeah.
love that movie.
I'm excited because I haven't seen it.
She hasn't seen it.
So
Not only are you gonna see Scream 1,
Yeah.
but you're also gonna see Scream 2.
I am
It's
a little nervous because I'm like,
It's a double feature.
yeah, it's a double feature.
It's a double
What
feature.
if I don't make it past the first one?
Oh no, we're staying till the second. We're staying all the way to the
And
end.
we're at a cemetery, babe?
Oh
Really?
my god, this is gonna be so fun. But stick around, guys. We're only
Yes.
getting started. All right, so I'm so excited. This looks so cool.
It's so awesome. And honestly, I love just how big the Halloween community is. Like,
I
there's
know. We bought these tickets weeks ago because I know these kind of events usually sell out. So I told Chris, so this was going to be our date night, our first spooky date night of 2021.
Yes.
So welcome to spooky season.
When you told me about it, I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
Just because it's our first time at this event.
Yep.
And it's at a cemetery, so I'm like, wait, what? But you know, I'm all for like anything spooky.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I feel like this is gonna become a yearly thing for us. It's so cool. I love it.
We have to keep checking the website because this is amazing. And they don't have just spooky movies right now. They have other kinds of movies. We'll go ahead and link the website down below if you guys want to check it. And I would definitely recommend buy your tickets ASAP.
Yeah.
As soon as you see a ticket, as soon as you see an event that comes out and you want to go, buy your tickets because they sell out
Yeah, go for
way
it.
in advance. This
Yeah.
this event I think sold out like 4 or 5 weeks ago.
They have everything so well organized.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. You know.
I think it's pronounced Cinespia, but follow them
Yeah.
on Twitter. They have a website. We'll link it down below. We've done movie screenings like this before. We've done the Rooftop Cinema Club.
Yeah.
I mean, there's movie screenings all around LA all the time, and they show great movies. So I was so excited because I love Scream 1, Scream 2, Scream 3. This is Crystal's first time watching Scream, and this is really like one of the best slasher movies in my opinion. It's so, I don't know, it's so good. You'll see. I'm gonna ask Crystal.
I'm so excited. Like, there's a lot of people like that came dressed up.
Yeah, like the
with
characters in the movie,
theming.
yep.
And I told Chris earlier, I'm like, after I watched the movie, like, it'll make sense, like what everyone's
Yeah,
wearing.
then you'll understand.
Yeah, then I'll understand.
I'm so excited. We got great seats. We can try to link all the stuff that we bought. We bought the picnic blanket, the picnic basket, the little table runner. We got that stuff on Amazon, so check the links below if you guys want to check it out. I knew they were going to have a photo op and a DJ and like a little shop, but I didn't know it was going to look this cool. We
I
took a
agree.
picture. The photo we have is really cool.
Yeah, I agree. And the way that they laid everything out makes sense just because there's a lot of people.
Yeah. They have a really cool photo op with Ghostface. He's the killer, the slasher in the movie.
Yeah.
But we didn't get to do that one because that line is too long. I mean, the movie's going to start soon, so we didn't want to go in that line and then just do that.
So that's a tip for you guys. If you get here early and you see that there isn't a line for the photo ops, just go ahead and do it.
We recommend getting here early. The
Yeah.
gates didn't open till like 6:50, 7, like around 7 p.m. The movie starts at 8:30. We literally got here, 6 o'clock? And there was already a long line.
There was a long line. Yeah.
So our biggest tip is if you're gonna do this, make sure you buy parking. Parking is not included, parking is separate. Buy the one that says Lemon Grove parking, it's right across the street. If you buy your tickets, buy your parking too. Get here before 6, grab some food, because that's what we did. We had some Carl's Jr.
Yeah, we grabbed some chicken strips.
Grab some food, come wait in line, chill, have everything ready, and then once you're in, pick your spot. Pick a really good spot next to like the little walkway areas. They have designated walkways. so no one can, you know, interfere our view that much. So yes, they have a shop. If you want a chair, the chairs have to be a certain height. They have to be small. If you don't have one, they sell them here for $55. They look comfy, but that's a little expensive. We didn't bring a chair. You don't have to bring one. You can just sit on your picnic blanket or your tarp and you're good to go. They sell coffee. They sell popcorn.
Yeah, they have free drinks, and then also they have a whole area with a DJ, and they have a dance floor.
Yes.
So it looks really awesome over there.
And the coolest thing is the photo ops. They have like multiple photo ops all over the place.
Yeah, and they're free. They'll print out the picture for you for free, which is awesome.
And yeah, again, sponsored by Captain Morgan, I'm assuming, because we had free drinks and they were really good.
Yeah, they were really tasty.
But you can bring your own. People literally brought small tables. They brought their own food. A lot of people were buying pizza. There's a Little Caesar's pizza like around the block, around the corner, just a heads up.
We saw so many people come in with like boxes of pizza.
I think we literally saw 20 boxes, like or 30 boxes. People that were just buying pizzas and walking in with them. All right, guys, it's almost showtime. We'll check in with you after Scream 1. I want to see Cristal's reaction. So she's gonna tell us what she thinks about Scream 1. Then right after that, it's Scream 2. We're gonna be here till like 1, 2 in the morning. Can you believe that?
Year of screenings here in the heart of Hollywood. But tonight, we have a movie by a true master, Wes Craven.
Yes.
Not only did he create the Nightmare on Elm Street series, Last House on the Left, so many other films, he came back with Scream. We're so glad to honor his memory here today with the Scream Slumber Party. Are you guys ready to start? Right? 1, 2, 3. It's
It's movie time. Okay. Take it all in. Oh yes, let's go.
Are you okay?
All right, it's intermission, so we just finished Scream 1. They got the DJ with the dance floor over there. So cool, yo, this is amazing. They're giving us a little break while they prepare Scream 2, so we're still gonna be here to I think 10 p.m. This is supposed to go until 1 or 2 in the morning, you guys. This is so cool. We'll definitely be back.
Los Angeles, give it up for Tori Spelling!
No way, she's here! Oh my god! Wow! Oh, that's so cool. All right, guys, we made it back home safely. That was so much fun.
That was a lot of
Dang, we saw not just one movie, we saw 2 movies back to back. We hit the dance floor, and yeah, that was a lot of fun. And I think this is the best way to kick off our spooky season. I think we have to start making our playlist. Again, all the links are down below. Let us know if you guys have any questions. They played Scream 1. It was an hour intermission. Everyone was grabbing drinks, food. They had everything, and then dancing, which is what we did. And then at like around 12 at midnight, they played Scream 2. Any questions you guys have, drop them in the comments below. We're gonna do this again.
We are.
I'm assuming that since we're getting closer to October, they're gonna have a lot more scary movies.
It would make sense.
Which would be dope. Okay, now I have to show Cristal Scream 3, which is personally one of my favorite ones. And then there's Scream 4, which I actually never saw. That one I think came out like in 2012 or 2013 or something. I never saw that one. But dang, we're gonna be watching scary movies weekly now.
So excited.
So don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter, because again, we post a lot of stuff on there. We're gonna be having a giveaway soon. Join the club. If you haven't joined the club and hit that subscribe button, we're on the road to 1,000, and we're gonna do something very, very fun once we hit that mark. So we hope you guys join the club, hit subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Spooky season is here, and we're only getting started.
Our favorite season, you guys. And thank you guys so much for always following us and all of our adventures. We love you guys so much.
Yes, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay spooky.
Yes.
See ya.